welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy if you're new here, and you can probably tell by the giant pile of clothes and the thumbnail and the title. Today is a little haul. So I did a photo shoot with Barnardo's, and I luckily was allowed to take home a couple of the pieces that I wore in the shoot, and I thought I would show you what I got. So these pieces were all gifted, just by the way. The shoot was super fun. Hopefully by the time you see this, maybe a couple of photos have come out. I'm not sure. I'm not sure the timeline for the campaign, but it was so fun. So thank you to Barnardo's for having me and Hannah, and yeah, we gallivanted around Brighton and got some really cool photos. So I thought I would show you a couple of the pieces that I got, and I'm not going to show you the clothes on because you have to go and look at the photos that we got at Barnardo's to see them. So first thing, as I've fallen on the floor, are these sunglasses. I will try these on for you. I think they're very fun, and I think they suit me, and I want to take them to Rome because I think it'll be really nice in my Rome photos. They give me Italian vibes. I don't know why. I think it's just like a fancy Italian nan or something. I don't know. I really like them. So I picked them up. Super fun. I actually wore them with quite a lot of my outfits. The next thing, if you have been following along my thrifting wishlist journey, you will know that cargos have been something that's been on my list for a very long time, since March, and I haven't been able to find any cargos that I liked. I saw one pair in Clacton, but they were a bit of a weird colour and pattern, and I just wanted plain. And I walked into the Bernardo shoot, and they were like, Amy, we've got 2 looks which have cargos in, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is what I've been looking for. So first pair, these are new with tags from Boohoo, and they are just this kind of orangey brown kind of shade, like maybe like a rust shade. They don't have any pockets at the top, which is kind of annoying, but they do have obviously the lower down kind of cargo pockets, and these just fit really nice. They're cuffed at the bottom, and there's something about these are in a size 16, but they just fit really nice. I must admit, the fabric, it feels very plasticky. It feels exactly what you'd imagine this fabric to feel like. Listen to it. Feels like that. But they look really nice, and I feel like cargos are something I could dress up and dress down, so I'm really excited to finally have a pair in my collection. I'm imagining this, you got on like a night out with some cute black heels, like my black kitten heels maybe, and like a cute black crop top bodysuit. I think these just look really sweet. And also then in a day, you could chuck this on with like a jumper maybe in autumn winter, and I thought that would look really nice. And there's like some chunky trainers, the ones I got from the boot sale maybe. I think these are really cool, and I'm so glad to finally have a pair in my collection. And on the cargos hype, they also had like a linen-y beige pair. So again, these are like a linen-y fabric, but they are quite thick, whereas they're quite thin. So these would be really appropriate for kind of autumn winter time. Again, I'm imagining it like maybe like a turtleneck, like black bodysuit could look really cool. I've also got a black like crop top jumpery thing from Mencap, which I think would look really cool. It's got like a cutout here. Proper give like Impossible vibes. Again with my chunky trainers, or maybe even with the boots from Hannah. I just think these are lovely. These are new with tags Topshop. Let's see how much they were in Topshop. £70. They did have a reduced sticker on, but oh my gosh, £70 is a lot of money. These are in a size 14, but they actually fit fine. They've got elastic on the back, which is probably quite good for me because I have a lot smaller of a waist than I do of like my hips and stuff, so I need like a bigger size from bum and my hips, but actually my waist is a bit smaller, so these fit really nice as well. These have got lots of pockets. You've got regular pockets, bum pockets, trouser pocket, lots of pockets, which is the dream. And yeah, I think these are really cute. These feel like a lot better quality, and so they are like a thick linen-y material, but they're like very thick. So again, I think this would be really good for like autumn winter. Again, could dress these up, could dress it down. I feel like you could go like all very like earthy tones, like neutrals with these, as they are like linen, but I also think again like a black, maybe like a green, like a khaki would look nice with these. And yeah, so fun, and these fit so nice. They were really comfortable. I didn't really want to buy, which I mentioned I think in my thrifting wishlist update, that there was loads of cargos on Vinted. I just didn't really want to buy them on Vinted because I wanted to try them on and check they fit me well, check they're comfortable, because I didn't really want to buy some that aren't. So I'm really glad I've now got 2 pairs of cargos in my collection, and I feel like I'm going to wear these all of the time. Yeah, I love them, and they're so cool. These are a lot like heavier and better quality, but I think, yeah, these are really sweet. Really like them. The next thing I picked up is this like mesh top. So I actually ended up wearing this on the shoot with the darker trousers, and it is a super cool like checkerboard pattern. It's just a little Primark number. It's really sweet. It's got like kind of like the exposed like stitching down the front. It looks really cool. I feel like this is something I could layer, although I'm not big on layering, as you guys know, but I do think I could potentially layer this. I also think it was just cute by itself. You could wear a little cami underneath if you want to be more covered up. I just wore it with a bra underneath, and that looks really cute. Lots of options with this, as I say, but I just think this is really sweet and goes so nice. Like, it's like an instant outfit with kind of either of them trousers, and I feel like that is what I want. I think this would be really practical for like going to events and stuff where you want to be like, I feel like this is the perfect level of dressiness. Like, this top with one of them cargos is at the perfect level of dressiness for an event. So that's really good. So I'm really glad that I've got them, and I feel like going into autumn winter, although they are mesh, these are probably like the better tops to have, because you're a bit more covered up, but I still feel like cool. So yeah, I very much enjoy this. And then let's mix it up. I also got a couple of feminist books. I'm going to show you this one. Do I know anything about it? No. This is We, a manifesto for women everywhere, 9 principles for a more meaning life. Maybe I'm going to be completely enlightened after reading this. I must admit, I thought, oh, this would be cool. Gillian Anderson. I know that name. People are probably screaming at their phone, like, yeah, obviously you know that name. And Jennifer Nadel, authors. Not sure, I must admit. I can't remember who they are. Oh, actor. Is she the one from Sex Education? The mum, Otis's mum? I may have got it completely wrong. I don't know. I'll have to Google that after and probably really kick myself that I do know who she is. This will be a really interesting read, so I'm very excited. Of course, in Brighton is a place to go for your feminist books and charity shop. And finally, I picked up this bodysuit. This is, again, originally just like a Primark number. This is actually in size 12 to 14, but obviously it is like stretchy, and it's kind of that blue swirly pattern. I know everyone says swirly patterns are out. They're watching a micro trend, but I think the swirly pattern's really fun. I think this is cute. I think I could wear this with the cargos. I always think wear this with like my black maxi skirt could look really cute. I do actually also have a blue skirt. This could look really fun with. But yeah, I thought this is a good dress up, dress down sort of top. But you could chuck on some denim shorts and it would look quite cute. Again, a good layering piece if I was to do that. Yeah, I just think it's really cute. It's a bodysuit, this one, so stays tucked in, which is nice and handy. And again, you could wear like a cami underneath. I'll probably just wear a white bra or like a blue bra, don't know. I think this is really sweet, and yeah, I was really happy with this, and I felt really good in it when I modelled in it, so I thought I would pick that up as well. But that's everything I got. Thank you so much to Bernardo's for a lovely day and some lovely gifts. I also got my dad some coasters. He's got them like cricket coasters. I saw and bought for him, so I picked them up for him. But yes, that's everything I picked up. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Go and follow Bernardo's on Instagram to see the looks come to life. Me and Hannah had a great day frolicking around Brighton in all our fun outfits. So definitely go and give them a follow and see all the photos, and also give me a follow on Instagram if you want to see the photos on my account, because I'm sure I will end up posting them from the Bernardo's account too. But that's everything for today. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.